Welcome back, Chemistry 2330, to my YouTube channel where we'll be spending the rest of the semester continuing to learn about organic chemistry. I have an additional information about how the different changes are going to affect our course through our final. As far as homework goes, since they are already online through Sapling, there will be no major changes to that other than possibly changing the due dates based on when we get to the topics in the lecture. There's a slight compression of our schedule to meet our end goal of closing in the middle of May, so there may be some topics that are decreased in the lecture portion, but the remaining topics will be fully associated with the Sapling learning. So there might be some changes in due dates for that, but nothing else will change as far as homework is regarded. Quizzing will also be moved online. So I've learned that we can have a quiz mode set up in Sapling Learning. So if you already have your Sapling Learning, you will be able to access your quizzes. Quizzes will be held on Fridays and will be open book, open notes. So on Fridays, you will be given a login to allow you to log in sometime Friday. You will have 15 minutes to complete and submit the quiz. Note, because these are open book, open notes, I would still advise you to study as if they weren't open book and open notes, so you'll be able to complete the quiz in the allotted amount of time. My current proposal for office hours is to have them held online in two different formats. A group format, which will typically be held at the scheduled period of the class time. For example, if you're on the Monday, Wednesday, Friday class, we'll have a Zoom meeting set up for Mondays and Wednesdays at our specific class time, leaving Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Fridays for individual office hours that will also meet either online or as Zoom meetings. For my 2330 class, we will have one more exam. The exam will be a downloadable and handwritten exam. Students are expected to download and print the exam, take the exam open book and open notes, and then scan or photograph the exam and email it back to me within 24 hours of it being assigned. Tentatively, I'm planning to release it on Tuesday, April 14th, and I must receive it by noon, Friday, April 15th. Note that all of these times are Central Standard Time. All exams submitted after that time, yes, even by 1 second, will receive a 10-point reduction per day. So please plan ahead and submit them well in advance of that noon deadline. Thank you. Our final exams will also be administered on Sapling. Each class it'll be assigned during your scheduled final period, either the day and or hour that it was available to you. Students will have a 2-hour window to complete the exam. It will be open book and open notes, but keep in mind you should study for the exam as if you were taking it without open notes to make sure that you have enough time to complete the exam during that window.